get a suspicion that the world is on a mission just to show me how little I can do. The good times go by fast, oh, the bad won't seem to last so much longer than I'd ever want them to. The way you deal with troubles reveals how much you know. They can often take you stronger, and they can lay you pretty low before they do. Well, some folks say don't worry, 'cause help will be there in a hurry. So let your silence sounding so fine, coming down so holy in traveling clouds of glory, a band of angels setting up behind. Santa Claus is coming, the Easter Bunny too. The Tinkerbell is running late, that ain't nothing to. You take your time. Just like superheroes of all sizes, coming in like the sea is rising, in a tide to wash away your tears. They won't come in before we need them, and not before we're bruised from bleeding. And nick in time, it's music to their ears. Dressed in ties and tails, a sight for jaded eyes. Who anxious sets off the blackness of the lies you'll never hear. Give them all your money, they say thanks and call you honey. Tell you silver is the way to save your soul. And if you're feeling empty deep inside, they'll take you for a ride. Charge you double just for pointing out a hole. It's like a simple assignment in a code of shiny mail. The attitude of innocence that never ever fails to leave you cold. Next time you're in trouble and life's feeling like a bubble, getting bigger as your mind is getting small. Skip the flashing thunder, just try down your own number, see if you can answer your own call. The conversation's brutal, it's often pretty clear, it's brief and to the point. If you could come to hear, you hear it all. You hear it all. You hear it all.